The key to making biscuits is in the mixing process. Here we have a 7% biscuit-based concentrate that you just have to add all your minor ingredients like flour, sugar, shortening. You want to add your dry ingredients and use a dough hook for the process. This process, you just want to dry blend your ingredients for about a minute. 90 seconds is the maximum mix time that you need to use. If you overmix, you want to get a flat biscuit. You won't get nice volume or a nice tight crumb. The dough is coming together now. This is your finished dough. The next step is to put it on the table here, put it through an over and under sheeter to reduce the thickness of the dough. You want to gradually bring the dough down so as not to tear it. That basically is your finished biscuit dough. What I like to use is a 3-inch cutter. You get about a 3-ounce product from it. Place it on a sheeting pan, like so. Just cut them out like so. This is a 3-ounce biscuit. I used a 3-inch cookie cutter. It's about 3/4 of an inch thick. And this will give you this finished product right here. You want to bake about 420 for about 14 minutes in a real oven or a rack oven. What's very detrimental about this space, you do not want to overmix it. 90 seconds is the maximum mix time that you need to use. If you overmix, you want to get a flat biscuit. You won't get nice volume. Or a nice tight crumb.